Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, stop what you're doing, go down below, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of fun here. Join the party. Go hit that subscribe button right now. But yeah, the other day I had the opportunity to go and pick up something new. If you follow me on Instagram, you got a sneak peek and you got to see exactly what I'm referring to right now. And if you can read, obviously the title of this video kind of tells you what this is as well. Also, in the community tabs on YouTube, I did a poll a few weeks ago asking if I should pick up one of these, and that won by a landslide. So calling around a bunch of dealerships the past few weeks trying to get a hold of one of these. A dealership about 3 hours away from here was able to sell me one. And I'll go into that a little bit more later, but yeah, I was able to pick up a Bronco, so I'm actually in it right now. As you can see, this is definitely not the TRX, so let's go ahead, jump outside, and I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the new 2022 Bronco Wildtrak. So we're in the little industrial park cul-de-sac where I always do all my videos, and here it is, the new 2022 Bronco Wildtrak. So as you can see, obviously it is a 4-door, it is a hardtop, it is a Wildtrak, and it is pretty badass. If you are not too familiar with the Broncos, kind of like how I was up until about 2 weeks ago, the Wildtrak is kind of like the top trim for right now until the Raptor comes out. It has, you know, the bigger wheels, bigger tires, front lockers, better gearing for off-roading, but besides all that, it also has the 2.7 EcoBoost V6, so that was a must for me. I really wanted the 2.7 and I really wanted a hardtop, so I was very lucky and fortunate to be able to find this spec. The color is called Cyber Orange. I like to call it OJ Orange. It's not as good as OJ White, but OJ Orange is pretty cool. I kind of like the color. The wife, she doesn't really love it all too much, so I think we are going to be wrapping it pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I think this is a pretty cool addition to the channel. By no means is this replacing the TRX. The TRX is going nowhere. The TRX is my main girl. This is just the side chick for now. And honestly, the wife really wanted to get a Bronco, so she really wanted to have like a little fun, you know, off-roader car or SUV, whatever you want to call this as well. So try to, you know, wanted to be a good husband, and we were able to get this. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick video today, just kind of a quick little walk around, kind of just unveiling for you guys. So Wildtrak, it's really cool. I'm not like a huge Ford guy. I'm not gonna pretend like I am. I've always liked the Raptor, but that's about it. But the Bronco really speaks to me. I absolutely loved my Wrangler Rubicon. I still have the Gladiator as well. So this kind of reminds me of that a little bit, considering, you know, the roof comes off, the doors comes off. It's kind of like off-roader. But I think it's a little bit more refined than what Jeep is offering with the Wrangler right now. And like I said, I have the Gladiator, so I wanted something a little bit different. So yeah, I think the Bronco was a great choice. Super hard, super difficult to get your hands on a Bronco right now. I did pay over MSRP for this thing, but you know, you win some, you lose some. I got a super cheap TRX, so you know, I lost my ass on this one compared to that. But hey, it is what it is. You got to pay to play. But I think it's super cool, you know, with the LED lights up here. It has the different grille because it's a Wildtrak. Beadlock capable wheels, which I find super cool. Goodyear, nice off-road tires. I think these are, I think they're a 33, so those are definitely going to be switched out. But yeah, I think it's super cool. It's got the cool little graphics down the side. Wildtrak there. The badges on the side, Wildtrak. Wildtrak up there on the hood as well. I'll go ahead and show you the interior. I believe this interior color is called medium sand. So it's got like kind of like the grayish kind of sand color here, and then black. And then I don't know if you're going to be able to really see this, but it's kind of like a digi camo middle insert there, which is super cool. And then you got the little Bronco insignia there. It has the 8-inch screen. I really would have loved to have the 12, but the 8 is fine. I'll probably figure out a way to switch out to the 12-inch eventually. So the 2.7, it only comes with the 10-speed auto. Manual would have been cool, but the wife doesn't know how to drive manual, so auto it is. You know, we got our auxiliary switches up here, which is super cool for all the lights we're going to be installing. Then we got all the sway bar disconnect stuff up there. Steering wheel, digital dash with the analog speedometer as well. Full touchscreen on the 8-inch screen. Got the GOAT mode up here for all your different off-road settings. Just standard stuff. I'm sure you guys have seen Broncos before. Again, the roof is completely removable. So you got the 2 panels up here and then the 1 panel for the back, just like a Wrangler. We got the sound deadening material on this, so super cool. This thing is pretty high spec, like most Wildtraks are. Got the car seat back here for the baby. So yeah, got the roll bar in the back with speakers. So yeah, this thing is super cool. I think it's going to be a good addition to the channel. This is that's definitely going to be modified, so stay tuned. I'm going to do a lot of shit to this. I pride myself in being probably the YouTuber who's put out the most content for the Ram Rebel when I had that. I've probably put out the most content for the TRX, and I really want to be the one who puts out the most content for the Bronco as well. So if you're new to the channel and you like the Bronco, hit that subscribe button, because there's going to be a big build series on this. I have a lot of plans for it. I basically want to make this thing a competitor to the Raptor version. I want this thing to more or less be like a desert runner. I want to go full kind of pre-runner build on this. Long travel suspension, bead locks, wide fenders, lights. That's my ultimate goal for this thing. So if you like that, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned, because it's going to be a super cool build series. And this is a turbo engine, so you already know I'm going to be cranking up the boost on this thing. So yeah, guys, quick short one today. Just wanted to go ahead and show you the new Bronco here. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.